Oh gosh, Ninja Blue here. We today are gonna bring up my cousins. I'm mad at them. And so let's do this. This is the room.
Hey,
see, that's what I've done
let
so
me
far.
see the game.
I should make a move.
Oh, can I play?
Is that, I'll do this.
How are you supposed to play in it?
This is the bad guy who looks like, oh wait, I'm gonna show you something.
That guy has a nice beard. That guy has a nice beard.
Look at this.
That guy has a nice beard.
Look, camouflage!
Game over. So how are you supposed to play it when it's like game over?
Wait, I'm not X.